Hello everyone, I'm the lead engineer at Communications Square. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to use the Teams Admin Center for managing your Microsoft Teams phone system. First, sign in at admin.microsoft.com. Once you log in, you'll notice various admin centers listed on the left, and for today's session, we'll focus on the Teams Admin Center. Now that I'm in the Teams Admin Center, I'm looking at the home page. This is where you get an overview of all your Teams-related activity, including PSTN calling information. On the left side, there are different tabs for managing Teams, users, devices, apps, meetings, messaging, and so on. These sections let you handle everything from creating teams and managing user accounts to configuring devices and policies. However, our main focus today is on the voice features. Under Voice, you'll see several subsections. The first is Phone Numbers, which displays all the numbers available in your tenant and allows you to request new numbers or port existing ones from another carrier. Operator Connect comes next, letting you connect various PSTN operators directly to Teams. For those using session border controllers, the Direct Routing tab is where you would configure those SBCs and set up call routing between on-premises systems and Microsoft Teams. After that, there's a section called Calling Policies, where you can enable or disable voicemail, control call forwarding, and adjust caller ID settings. You can create custom calling policies for specific groups of users. Next, you'll find the Dial Plans area, which is crucial if you want to set up short dialing rules or region-specific patterns. For example, if you only dial the last 4 digits to reach someone, you can map that to a full phone number. Emergency policies and mobility are also part of the voice section. Here, you'll assign emergency addresses so that, if someone calls 911, the system automatically provides emergency responders with their location. If your devices support GPS, Teams can detect and send that exact location. You can also configure auto attendants, which let you set up menu options like Press 1 for sales. These auto attendants can play greetings, route calls based on schedules, handle after-hours scenarios, and define holiday schedules. Meanwhile, call queues work similarly but are geared toward distributing calls among multiple agents, like in a support or help desk setting. You can configure how calls are routed, whether it's attendant-based, round-robin, or based on presence, and set limits on queue size and wait times. Still in the Teams Admin Center, you have a Locations tab where you can define emergency addresses, map users to specific sites, and build out a network topology if you need advanced call analytics or want to track how calls flow through different network devices. If you go to the Analytics and Reports area, you can view usage data, call details, and call quality metrics. This data can then be fed into Power BI, allowing you to create custom dashboards that show exactly how Teams calling is being used across your organization. That covers our quick overview of the phone system capabilities in the Teams Admin Center. We looked at everything from requesting phone numbers and setting up operators to configuring dial plans, auto attendants, and call queues. We also touched on how to manage emergency addresses, holiday schedules, and track usage through analytics. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions about managing your Microsoft Teams phone system, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.